Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. Sorry about that. It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a washroom. It's a handicap accessible washroom. You can see the floor drain is plugged up there. So the management company tried snaking it out themselves. They were unable to get it cleared. So they want to call in the professionals, I guess. Let's see here. All right. We're going to be using the K50 machine. With a 2-inch cutter. Now the management said he put 4 cables, which was 30 feet down, and was hitting a blockage. Here goes nothing. So that's the first 2 cables, which should be 15 feet. Now here we go with the next 2. So this connection right here is actually 22.5 feet. So it's not even the 30 feet that he said. I am going to hook up one more set of cables, which will be a total of 45 feet. Just to make sure. And here we go. sure it doesn't back up, you're going to see water coming into the drain, and that's from the primer line. It's a self-priming drain. Alright, so that's that. I'm going to pull you guys back. And I'm going to be pulling the cable out by hand and see if we have anything connected. And once each cable comes out, I'm going to be disconnecting every 2, just like they went in. Alright. Alright, so that's 15 feet so far. That's 30 feet. And that would be 45. Gonna give it a few more flushes. You can see the water staying down. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this one. If you guys liked the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Try.